What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I preserve my sneakers. So what you're going to need to do this is you're going to need the shoe bags, pair of scissors, heat gun or blow dryer, and I use this plastic sealer to seal up my bags in the bank. It's not necessary. You can also use tape. So what I'm planning to preserve right now is a 2019 Jordan 4 Bred. Very clean. I've only worn it once. I'm actually putting it up on sale for GOAT. So let's get into the process. So the first thing you want to do is open up your bag. You're going to see a seal right here. This seal, you want the toe of the shoe to go in towards. So you're just going to put your shoe in there and make sure you get it all the way down. Make sure to turn the shoe a little bit so this line ends up right up over the shoe. Now you're just going to line up the back of the bag and put it inside your heat sealer. That way you can seal up the back of the bag. You want to get it kind of close. Hold it down for a couple seconds. All right, and now the bag is sealed on the back. So now with this excess, you're just going to want to cut as close to the seal as possible. So you end up with something like this. Now you're going to want to get your heat gun, put it on the lowest setting, and start with the bottom of the shoe and start going back and forth. You'll see the wrap starting to shrink. Do not stay in one place for more than a couple seconds because you will end up putting a hole in the bag. Get your way around the shoe. And there you go. Your shoe is perfectly wrapped now. All right, YouTube family. Until the next video, please subscribe and hit that like. See ya.